The well-attended event in Ibadan, your state capital, brought together movies and music practitioners as well as academia to commemorate World Intellectual Property Day. Themed intellectual property and music filled the beat. The event focus was on protecting creative works. NCC head in Oyo State, Oluropo Oke, and Piman Governor Taiwo Omotunde emphasized that intellectual property laws now better protect artists' work, urging them to embrace these laws.
Of course, this is part of the advocacy for them to change, to know that you cannot just play anybody's music anyhow. You cannot play it to the public. You cannot make that adaptation of it. You have to seek permission from the right owner. There are penalties for those who infringe on other people's rights, who use other people's work without their permission.
In this part of the world, you create something, someone else takes it, use it for commercial purpose, and you do not benefit. But following the promulgation of the Copyright Act of 2022, we are now getting people to be aware of their rights, their privileges, and that they can own the intellectual property.
Cultural Ambassador Oloyelekan Alabi commended the NCC for creating enabling laws to protect artists, while guest lecturer Kehinde Faniyi urged artists to register their work, emphasizing that intellectual property law recognize original owners.
Discovered that our artists in the good old days were contented to be recorded. They never bothered about money. But the fact that they have been allowed to come to the studio wax a record. So this is 2025. Artists deserve to get royalties, encouragement for the gift from God.
Musicians and other creative persons to embrace the intellectual property law as contained in the law. You know, a lot of provisions are made in that act that will help them to own their rights as creators of intellectual ideas.
The event featured performances by renowned juju musician Michael Ade and students creating a memorable experience. Femi Amushan, AIT News, Ibadan.